Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a small scrapbook out of brown paper bags. I made this one yesterday for my Christmas planning, so I guess it's not really a scrapbook. But I accidentally wrote 2001, and then I scribbled it out and tried to make it part of the decoration, but that was a failure, so I decided to redo it. It has several pages. The one we'll be making does. And you can put stuff inside here in between pages. So I think it's really cool. So what you're going to need to make this one are 4 brown paper bags of any size, some glue. I'll be using this glue, but you can use a glue stick too, and some scissors, and things to decorate with. So we'll be working with 2 bags at a time, and what you're going to do first is take your bag and fold it this way so that the bottom is facing up. Like this. I'm going to do that with all 4 bags, but right now I'm just going to do it with 2. And I learned this from Scraptastic Creations, but I don't know who originally came up with it. Maybe she did. So we've got these 2 folded like this. And what we're going to do is take the bottom of one of them and we're going to get some glue and put it on the bottom of one of the bags. All around. Like that. Or we're going to take the bottom of the other bag and we're going to put it face down on top of this one. And hold it for a few seconds. You're going to do the same thing with the other 2 bags. Okay, so that's what it should look like. Got our bags with the bottoms glued together like this. So this is what it looks like inside. And I've done that twice. The next thing we're going to do is trim off the edges. You can trim it to whatever size you want. I like to make mine as square as possible, but this is your choice. So I'm going to do that right here. About like that. And then do that the other one. So we have our 2 sets, each trimmed down now, and you can really do whatever you want to connect the pages right here. I am not that creative. I'm just going to glue it down, but you can add holes or tie it with ribbon. You can really do whatever you want to do. I'm just going to take my glue, got these 2 bags separated. I'm going to put some down right here. Oh, actually, you glue the whole page. Sorry. Glue the whole page down. And then glue it down. Like this. Hold it down for a while. I don't know if it's just me, but I really like the way these kind of things feel. I think it's just fun. Fun to touch. Okay, so here you have your scrapbook. It says basic as it's gonna be. Now you can decorate it however you want. Better than this, I hope. But some sparkles down there. And I'm gonna use this for planning for Christmas. So I've written dates over here. And I've got this pocket and this little page. I don't know what I'll do with that yet. Bought gifts. 2 pockets where we connected the 2 pages. Homemade gifts, because my family always makes homemade gifts for Christmas. Another small page, and then other, and a pocket. So, I think it's really nice, and it's just something, a lot of people can do. I know most people have brown paper bags at their house, I think. So, thanks for watching. Bye.